What's up, guys? Welcome back to Transcending Ways Crypto, bringing you another market update for the day. In our last video, when we were following up on Bitcoin, it had broken out from the bottom of the range here after identifying this inverse head and shoulder momentum shifting structure. It had broken out from the bottom of this range, and it had gotten above the last daily high, confirming this as a higher low now on the daily for this trend reversal. So it took out the last daily high, which was also last week's high. Then it's been consolidating in this range between the last daily high and the daily high before that, which is also the last 2-week high. So Bitcoin broke out and it's been consolidating in between this range here. And so far, today's candle is looking like a bullish engulfing. So things are looking promising at the moment. Before, when we were looking, we were just checking to see, expecting the breakout to follow through, but we were just giving time for the lower time frames oscillators to reset, which it looks like was the case. But we're also looking at the RSI here on the daily, and you can see that RSI got to the bullish control zone and then pushed back to the EMA, and we're looking for it to bounce off the EMA, and it's looking like that is following through now. So now it's bouncing back into the bullish control zone. So it's looking promising for this breakout to be continuing. And the EMA price now for the RSI is at 64,731. So price is well above that now. And you can see that the MACD is continuing to build momentum. Still continuing to build positive momentum. And the EMAs are all just in bullish posturings. And then if we go to, let's just go to a lower time frame really quick to show that price was just ranging between the daily high and the high that we're working on breaking now. So on the time frame, like the 2-hour, the RSI was oversold and then went sideways, allowing the oscillators to reset and went down to the oversold territory and is now making this move up. And it was able to get above the prior 2-week high that we were checking out. So if we go now to the weekly, you can see that bullish engulfing. It's a new week. So this week was a bullish engulfing above the 9 EMA. And now we're taking out this high here. If you look at it on a 2-week chart, last week, it retested the 9 EMA perfectly. And then now we were trying to take out this high here for the prior 2-week candle at 67,467. Now at the moment, price is breaking out above it. So now we're looking to see this breakout continue. We pointed out before that the Bollinger Band is at 78,000 on the 2-week and 79,000, almost 80,000 on the weekly. So these aren't unrealistic targets if this breakout were to be continuing. And another thing that we'll look at, if we go back to the daily, I'd be expecting price, if Bitcoin is going to be clearing this high, I would be expecting it to retest this trend line here now at the upper part of the range at about 70K. And then if price were to get there, we would be looking for it to break out above and possibly retest, but we'd be looking for a breakout above this trend line, and from there we'll have to follow up and see if price is going to be breaking out to new all-time highs. But for now, if we're breaking this now, I'd be looking to test this trend line next. So we'll definitely be keeping an eye out on that. And then one more quick thing is we'll follow up on the total 3 chart. Again, total 3 is a chart showing how the altcoins are performing. So this chart excludes Bitcoin and Ethereum, and it's like a conglomerate of how the alt market is performing. So we had pointed out that it had been consolidating at the lows here within all these EMAs. The red is the 9, yellow is 21, green is 55. And we're looking for this to break out next, like how Bitcoin had already broke out. We're looking for total 3 to break out next past this trend line. And that would mean that the altcoins would be breaking out next. So these have been great opportunities to dollar cost average and add more to your positions. And if we were to look at this zoomed out on a 6-month chart, you can see that it's definitely a bullish chart. And the last time that we were in a similar kind of position, you can see what happened in the last bull cycle. So for context, we haven't even taken out the highs yet, which is almost 100% up from here. So yeah, still early, and definitely just great opportunities to be, maintaining your positions, reallocating if you need to. But this is why we got to pay attention to the market when things get boring or when things are fearful, so we can take advantage of opportunities like this. But I'll go ahead and leave it there for today. We'll follow up in the next video and see how price action is looking. But for now, this breakout is looking to be continuing. And if we're taking out this high, which price is currently above, I'd be expecting a move to this trend line next. So we'll definitely follow up on that in the next video, but we'll leave it there. So thanks a lot, guys. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on the market. And we'll definitely be back in the next video to follow up. So thanks a lot, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.